Welcome to Motor World, the place where motorcycles meet real-world riding passion. Today's video takes a close and detailed look at the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125, a motorcycle designed for riders who want everyday reliability, strong fuel efficiency, and classic Suzuki engineering in a compact commuter package. This model continues Suzuki's legacy in the 125 cubic centimeters segment, offering practical performance with modern refinements for 2026. Design and styling updates. The 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 carries a clean and purposeful design that focuses on simplicity and durability. The body panels are neatly sculpted, giving the bike a balanced and professional appearance suitable for daily commuting. Suzuki has refined the fuel tank shape to improve rider comfort while maintaining a sporty commuter look. Subtle graphic updates and fresh color options give the Thunder 125 a modern touch without losing its traditional identity. The upright seating position and slim profile make the motorcycle easy to handle in city traffic. The overall build feels solid, with attention to durability that suits long-term everyday use. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 is a reliable 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine designed for smooth and efficient operation. This engine delivers consistent power ideal for city riding, daily commuting, and short highway stretches. Throttle response is tuned for smooth acceleration, making the bike beginner-friendly while still enjoyable for experienced riders. Suzuki's engineering focuses on low vibration and long engine life, ensuring that the Thunder 125 performs well even after extended use. The gearbox offers precise shifting, allowing riders to move comfortably through traffic and maintain steady cruising speeds. Fuel efficiency and daily practicality. One of the strongest advantages of the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Designed for riders who value low running costs, this motorcycle delivers excel. The fuel tank capacity is optimized to reduce frequent refueling stops, while the efficient engine keeps fuel consumption under control. This makes the Thunder 125 a smart choice for riders looking to balance performance with affordability. Comfort and riding experience. Suzuki has focused heavily on rider comfort in the 2026 Thunder 125. The seat is well padded to support long rides, while the upright handlebar position reduces strain on the wrists and shoulders. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a stable and comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. The lightweight chassis and balanced geometry make the motorcycle easy to maneuver, especially in crowded city streets. Whether riding through daily traffic or cruising on open roads, the Thunder 125 offers a smooth and confidence-inspiring experience. Safety and braking. Safety remains a key priority for Suzuki. The 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 is equipped with a reliable braking system designed for consistent stopping power. The brakes respond predictably, giving riders confidence during sudden stops and wet road conditions. The tires provide good grip for everyday riding, contributing to overall stability. Combined with the bike's balanced weight distribution, the Thunder 125 maintains control and safety in various riding situations. Instrument cluster and features. The instrument cluster on the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 is simple, clear, and easy to read. It provides essential information such as speed, fuel level, and indicator alerts, allowing riders to stay focused on the road. Suzuki keeps the feature set practical, ensuring reliability and ease of maintenance. This straightforward approach makes the Thunder 125 an excellent option for riders who prefer function over unnecessary complexity. Maintenance and reliability. Suzuki motorcycles are known for their long-term reliability, and the 2026 Thunder 125 is no exception. The engine is built for durability, requiring minimal